How to find out whether Hyper-V is currently enabled/running. How can I find out whether Hyper-V is currently running on my Windows 8.1 Pro system? Reason: some installs automatically enable Hyper-V, e.g., the Visual Studio Android emulator add-ons. I am mostly using VMware and Box for virtualization, and since Hyper-V is a hypervisor, virtualizing host 2, I want to avoid conflicts, double virtualization.
Run PowerShell as administrator. Run the command. If it is enabled, you'll see the answer like this. More info here and here.
You can check if the services are running. Win+R, services.msc. Look in the list for all services beginning with Hyper-V. If any of them are running, it's on. Specifically, the core of it I believe is labeled Hyper-V Virtual Machine Management. You can check the system log to see if any activity has occurred. Guide here. Open Event Viewer. Click Start, click Administrative Tools, and then click Event Viewer. Open the Hyper-V Hypervisor event log. In the navigation pane, expand Applications and Services Logs, expand Microsoft, expand Hyper-V Hypervisor, and then click Operational. If Windows Hypervisor is running, no further action is needed. If Windows Hypervisor is not running, perform the following steps. Open the System log. In the navigation pane, expand Windows Logs, and then select System. Look for events from Hyper-V Hypervisor for more information. For example, Event ID 41 indicates a problem with the BIOS configuration. Hyper-V launch failed, either VMX not present or not enabled in BIOS. To filter for these events, from the Actions pane, click Filter Current Log, and then for event sources, specify Hyper-V Hypervisor.
PowerShell, get service, find serve compute. Running compute Hyper-V host compute service.
In my case with the commandlet, Hyper-V was enabled but Hypervisor launch type was off. So I checked the status of Hypervisor launch type with look for Hypervisor launch type. And I enabled Hypervisor launch type with the following command as administrator.
In Windows Start Search, search for Windows Features, and you will find Hyper-V checkbox. Now you can not only check the current status, but you also can change it.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.